Maya, I am in big trouble. I was at the mall today and I saw the most interesting person in the world
That sounds exciting, Theo. Why is it a problem?
because I want to tell my sister about him, but I do not know how to say it in English. I just said he has a face and two arms.
Well, everyone has a face and two arms. That does not help your sister at all.
Exactly. She laughed at me for 10 minutes. I need to learn how to describe people properly.
You are in the right place. Today, we are going to learn how to describe anyone. Before we start, if you want to improve your English with us every day, please subscribe to Sidekick English, like this video, and share it with a friend. Now, Theo, let's look at your friend from the mall.
He was not a friend. He was a stranger. But he looked like a movie star.
Okay, let's start with the basics. Was he tall or short?
He was very tall. I had to look up to see his eyes.
So he is tall. And what about his body? Was he thin or strong?
He looked like he spends all day at the gym. He was very strong and muscular.
Good words. Now let's talk about his hair. What color was it?
It was very bright. Not yellow, but like the sun.
So he was blonde. Was his hair long or short?
It was short, very short on the sides, but a bit longer on top. It looked very cool.
That is a very common style. What about his eyes?
I think they were blue. Like the ocean. I felt like I was swimming when I looked at him.
Theo, you are being very poetic today. So we have a tall, muscular man with short blonde hair and blue eyes. Did he have anything else? A beard? Glasses?
No beard. His face was very smooth. But he had a small scar on his chin. It made him look like a hero in an action movie.
A scar is a great detail. It helps people recognize someone immediately. Now, what about his clothes?
He was wearing a black leather jacket and dark blue jeans, and very clean white sneakers.
You remember a lot of details. This is perfect for describing physical appearance. But we also need to describe personality. Did you talk to him?
I did. I asked him where the shoe store was.
And? Was he nice?
He was very kind. He smiled and gave me directions. He seemed very confident and friendly.
Those are excellent personality adjectives. Kind, confident, and friendly. My sister is the opposite of that.
Really? Is she mean?
No, she is not mean. She is just very shy and quiet. When she meets new people, she does not talk much.
I am not shy. I talk to everyone.
I know, Theo, you are very outgoing and talkative. Sometimes you are a bit too talkative.
Is that a bad thing?
Not at all. It makes you fun to be around. People like you because you are funny and cheerful.
I like those words. Funny and cheerful. I should put that on my dating profile.
That is a good idea. But you should also mention that you are a bit messy.
Hey, I am not messy. I am just organized in a way that you do not understand.
Your desk is covered in old pizza boxes, Theo. That is the definition of messy.
Fine. I am messy. But I am also very generous. I always share my pizza with you.
That is true. You are very generous. That is a great quality. Let's practice some more. Think of someone else we both know.
Okay? What about our neighbor, Mr. Henderson?
Oh, he is a classic character. How would you describe him to someone who has never met him?
Well, first, he is quite old. I think he is maybe 70 or 80 years old.
Yes, he is elderly. What about his height?
He is short. He is much shorter than me. And he is a little bit thin.
Does he have hair?
Not much. He is mostly bald, but he has some gray hair on the sides of his head.
And the most important thing about Mr. Henderson?
His mustache. He has a very long white mustache that looks like two squirrels are sleeping under his nose.
And it is a very funny way to describe it. He also wears glasses, right?
Yes, big round glasses. They make his eyes look huge.
And what is he like? What is his personality?
He is very grumpy. He always tells me to be quiet when I am walking in the hallway.
He is a bit grumpy, but he is also very intelligent. He used to be a professor.
Really? I did not know that. He just seems like a man who really loves silence.
Some people are just serious. They are not mean, they just don't joke around a lot.
I prefer people who are easygoing. Like you, Maya. You are very relaxed.
Thank you. I try to be. But when we are working, I have to be hardworking and organized.
You are very organized. You have a list for everything. I think you have a list for your lists.
It helps me stay focused. If I was as lazy as you, we would never finish these videos.
I am not lazy. I am just very good at resting.
That is a very creative way to say lazy. You are also very optimistic. You always think things will work out.
Because they usually do. Why worry?
That is a good attitude. Now, let's try something different. Describe your dream friend.
My dream friend? Well, he or she must be very funny. I want to laugh all day.
So, someone with a great sense of humor.
Yes, and they should be very adventurous. I want a friend who wants to go hiking and travel to strange places.
Adventurous is a great word. What about their appearance? Does it matter?
Not really, but maybe they should be very strong so they can carry my bags when we travel.
Theo, that is not a friend, that is a helper. You are being selfish.
Okay. My dream friend is funny, adventurous, and very honest. I like people who tell the truth.
Honest is one of the best qualities a person can have. I agree with you there.
What about you, Maya? Describe your best friend from high school.
Her name was Sarah. She was very beautiful. She had long, curly brown hair and green eyes.
Was she tall?
She was medium height. Not tall, but not short. She was very athletic because she played soccer every day. She was also the smartest person I knew. She was very clever and always got the best grades.
Was she arrogant? Some smart people are very arrogant.
No, she was very humble. She never talked about how smart she was. She was also very helpful. She helped me with my math homework every week.
She sounds like a great person. Do you still talk to her?
We talk sometimes, but she lives in a different city now. She is very busy because she is a doctor.
A doctor? That makes sense. She sounds very responsible.
She is. Being responsible is very important when you are a doctor. You have to be reliable too. People need to trust you.
Reliable. That is a word I need to learn. It means people can count on you, right?
Exactly. If you say you will do something, you do it.
I am reliable. I told you I would bring snacks today, and I did.
Theo, you brought a half-eaten bag of chips.
But I brought them. I am a man of my word.
You are something else, Theo. Let's think about how to describe someone's face more specifically. What if someone has freckles?
Oh, I like freckles. My cousin has them. Little brown spots on the nose and cheeks.
Yes, they are very cute. And what about skin tone?
Some people have pale skin, and some people have tanned skin or dark skin.
Right, it is important to be respectful when we describe people. We can say someone has a fair complexion or a dark complexion.
What about age? You said Mr. Henderson is elderly. What about us?
We're in our 20s, so we are young adults. If someone is 40 or 50, we can say they're middle-aged.
I don't want to be middle-aged. It sounds boring.
It is not boring, it is just a stage of life. My parents are middle-aged and they are very active. They go dancing every weekend.
Really? My parents are middle-aged too, but they just like to watch documentaries about birds.
Everyone is different. That is why describing people is so interesting. No two people are the same.
That is true. Even twins are different. My friends are twins, but they have very different personalities.
Tell me about them.
Well, they look exactly the same. They both have short, spiky black hair, and they are both quite short.
Spiky hair. That is a good description.
But one twin, Leo, is very brave. He loves extreme sports, and he is never afraid of anything.
And the other twin?
Max is very cautious. He is afraid of spiders, and he doesn't even like to go on a ladder.
So they are identical in appearance but opposite in personality.
Exactly. Leo is loud, and Max is quiet. Leo is messy, and Max is very neat.
Neat is the opposite of messy. I like that word. It means everything is in its place.
I wish I was neat. My life would be much easier. I could find my keys in the morning.
Maybe you just need to be more disciplined.
Disciplined. That sounds like hard work.
It is, but it is a good trait to have. Let's review some of the words we used today.
Okay. For height, we have tall, short, and medium height.
For body type, we have slim, thin, strong, and muscular.
For hair, we have blonde, brown, black, gray, and red. It can be long, short, curly, straight, or even spiky.
And don't forget bald.
Right? Bald, like a bowling ball.
Theo, be nice.
I am being nice. Bowling balls are smooth and shiny.
We also talked about eyes. Blue, brown, green, and hazel.
And special features like glasses, a beard, a mustache, or a scar.
And for personality, we had kind, friendly, shy, outgoing, funny, cheerful, grumpy, serious, intelligent, clever, humble, and arrogant.
And my favorite words, lazy and messy.
And my favorite words, hardworking and organized.
We also mentioned brave and cautious, and honest and reliable.
You have a great memory, Theo. You are very good at learning new vocabulary when it is about people.
I like people. They are funny to watch. I love sitting at a cafe and just looking at everyone walking by.
That is called people watching. It is a great way to practice these words in your head.
I did that yesterday. I saw a woman with purple hair.
Purple hair? That is very bold.
Yes, she looked very artistic. She was wearing a very colorful dress and lots of jewelry.
Artistic is a perfect word for that. People who express themselves through their clothes and hair are often very creative.
She was also carrying a very large dog. The dog was wearing a little sweater.
Even the dog was well dressed. How would you describe the dog?
The dog was small and fluffy. It had white fur and a very cute face. It looked very calm.
We can use many of the same words for animals. Fluffy, calm, cute.
I want a dog, but I am too lazy to take it for a walk.
At least you are honest about it. Being a responsible pet owner takes a lot of work.
Maybe I will just get a pet rock. A pet rock is very easygoing. It never barks, and it doesn't need food.
A pet rock is definitely the right choice for you, Theo. It matches your energy perfectly.
Hey, I can be energetic when I want to be. When there is a sale at the electronics store, I am the fastest person in the world.
So you are energetic when it benefits you. I understand.
Exactly. Now I feel much better. Next time I see my sister, I can tell her all about the mysterious man at the mall.
Let's hear it one more time. Give me a full description.
He is a tall, muscular man with short blonde hair and blue eyes. He has a small scar on his chin. He is wearing a black leather jacket and white sneakers. He is very kind and confident.
Perfect. Your sister will be very impressed. You sound like a professional writer now.
I feel like one. Maybe I should write a book about people I see at the mall.
I would read that book. It would probably be very funny.
It would be a bestseller. I will call it The Man with the Two Arms.
Maybe you should work on the title a little bit.
You are right. Titles are hard. But describing people is easy now.
I am glad to hear that. It is all about observing the details and having the right words to share what you see.
Thank you for the help, Maya. You are a very patient teacher.
And you are a very motivated student, Theo. Most of the time.
I will take that as a compliment.
We hope this discussion helped you learn how to describe people in English. It is a very useful skill for everyday conversations.
Don't forget to tell us about someone you know. Can you describe a friend or a family member in the comments?
We would love to read your descriptions. Tell us about their hair, their eyes, and what kind of person they are.
Are they funny like me or serious like Maya?
I am not that serious, Theo. But yes, tell us everything.
And remember to subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps the channel.
Like the video and share it with your friends. We will see you in the next one.
Bye, everyone. I am going to find my pet rock now.
Good luck with that, Theo. See you later.